Welcome to Clear Concepts with Amina Kotwal. In this video, we are going to study about comparison between file system and DBMS, that is Database Management System. Before proceeding with the comparison, let's try and understand what a file system is and what a DBMS is. A file system is a traditional method of data storage in which data is stored in separate files and accessed directly by application programs. In this approach, there is no centralized control over data and each application manages its own files. A DBMS, on the other hand, has centralized control over data. A DBMS is a software system that is used to create, store, organize, retrieve and manage data in a database efficiently. It acts as an interface between the user, application programs and the database, ensuring that the data is stored and accessed in a structured and secure manner. Hence, a DBMS provides centralized control of data unlike a file system. Now let's see all points of comparison between file system and DBMS. In a file system, data is stored in separate files without a fixed structure. Each application manages its own files, whereas in a DBMS, data is stored in a structured format with relationships. There is no support for backup and recovery in a file system. Recovery is manual and time consuming. And the system failure recovery becomes difficult also. Whereas in DBMS, there is automatic backup and recovery mechanism. DBMS can store data to a consistent state after failure. Redundancy is high in a file system, whereas redundancy is low in DBMS. Talking about data access is slow and requires writing custom programs in a file system, whereas data can be accessed easily using query languages like SQL, making retrieval faster and flexible. File system provides limited security, usually at file or a folder level. DBMS offers strong security with user authentication, authorization, and access control at database, table, or row level. Maintaining data consistency is difficult due to data duplication across multiple files, whereas in DBMS, data consistency is ensured using constraints, transactions, and integrity rules. Data sharing is limited and may cause conflicts when multiple users access same file in a file system, whereas DBMS supports efficient data and sharing with concurrency control, allowing multiple users to access data safely. Summarizing the differences, it can be hence seen that DBMS provides efficient, secure, consistent, and multi-user data management, whereas file systems are simple, but there are limited features that come along with it.